Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a code for free gifts. Yes, you can get free gifts on the Temu app just by searching this code. The code is FRS 127497. And just like that, search for it on the Temu search bar. And if you're a new user, you're going to be getting this free gift. Okay, you're going to be getting 100% off. All right, of course, just play the little game here. Open it. Even if you open the wrong one, just like I did, you're going to be getting another chance to open the right one. And yes, once you have it, Temu is going to give you the opportunity to choose whatever it is you want from the page. Make sure you choose your free gift from the page you are shown, okay? Free gifts come with qualifying orders. This means that for you to unlock that free gift, you actually need to buy something. When you're done choosing your free gifts, make sure you also choose your paid items on the page you're being shown, all right? Now, as you can see, I'm being asked to get an app because I'm actually doing this on my Chrome browser. So you need to get the app. It's very important. You cannot get this if you're just logging in through the browser and not using the app. You need the app to be able to access this free gift. So make sure you download the app. All right, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You can use that link to download. I have the link for the coupon. I have the link for the code for free gifts. Okay, so you can use any of those links to download the app and you automatically get either the coupon or the free gift, whichever one you prefer. All right, let me know if this works for you and we can discuss it in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point and see you in my next video. Bye.